cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Taillight Tint, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to BogartechDesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this 2024 Dodge Hornet, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how the lens looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the entire lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. So to start with the installation, we're going to start by applying slip solution to the middle lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you could start from either this side or the other side. It doesn't really matter, just as long as wherever you start by aligning it on the edge. So align it right on the edge here, and then we're going to secure the film, and then once we secure it, we're just going to work our way to the other side. But just make sure the film doesn't fall off. So with this one, just place it to the lens and apply a little bit of pressure, that way the film stays and it doesn't drop down. So with this one, we're going to start by applying tack solution underneath the film. Keep it aligned on the edge, make sure you have film covering the top, and then the extra film will go for the bottom section here. So apply tack solution on top of the film, grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure it. Okay, and all we have to do is just make sure we lift the film, apply slip solution underneath, that way we're able to move the film around and tack it down at the same time, and just keep the film aligned on the top section, and it should cover everything here. Start tagging it down little by little, and if you have small fingers on the top layer, those fingers we could remove it afterwards by applying a little bit of tack solution and heat. But right now our main focus is just making sure we align everything on the top section, work our way to the other end, and then we'll fix the lower section of the film. So now we could lift the film from this end, apply slip solution, that way we align the film, keep it aligned on the top area, and you're just going to do a small stretch to reach the film to the edge here. So make sure you have apply slip solution, that way you stretch the film. Stretch it to the edge, hold it in position, and then just tack it down for a bit to secure it, that way it doesn't move. Okay, once we secured the top section, now we're just going to work our way little by little to the bottom section. So now just focus on this body line of the taillight, help it tack down, remove all the solution underneath the film, and then just start making your way down to the lower section. And for this lower section here, we're just going to apply a little bit of tack solution and heat just to help it sit on this curve and on this one. And then once everything's done, we apply heat to seal the edges and we should be good. further. So for this section of the tail light, it's a two-piece installation. So we're going to start by installing the piece that covers the front layer of the tail light. So align it right on the edge, and everything else should just fall into place like this. Make sure to keep the film aligned to the edge and apply tack solution underneath and tack solution on top of the film. Grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film, and then just hold it in position here and then just tack down the film. And now we're going to apply heat around the edges, that way we seal the film and we're able to apply the other film and it will overlap to this one. So first seal this section and then we should be good. So for the last piece, all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Apply the film to this section of the lens, align it to the edge. Once we have it aligned, apply tack solution underneath the film. Make sure to keep it aligned on the edge. Spray tack solution on top of the film. Grab your squeegee and just start tacking it down to secure it. And like I mentioned, the film does overlap over the first film that was installed, so make sure this whole section is sealed. That way the film doesn't lift over time and damages both the tint. So secure this section. And once this section is secured, all we need to do is lift the film, apply slip solution, do a light stretch until we reach to the edge here. Just make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film, because once we apply heat, we're going to seal all of the edges. So apply tack solution, grab your heat gun, apply heat, and use your microfiber towel to seal the edges. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the tail light is to post heat the entire lens. So to post heat, just make sure to apply tack solution all over the tint, and we're going to apply heat evenly throughout the entire film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and also apply heat wherever we overlap the film. That way it stays sealed and it doesn't lift over time. And we're just going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped underneath the edges. So take your time applying heat all around the tail light, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the 2024 Dodge Hornet. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.